Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix video lagging or freezing on the XIAOMI Smart Camera C201. So if you're experiencing some lag or freezing on the XIAOMI Smart Camera C210's live feed, so this one right here, if you're experiencing lag or just like straight up the video turns off, and there are a few solutions that you can try to fix this issue. And the first one would be to open up the app, tap on XIAOMI Home, and then tap on your camera. So then we're going to have this live feed, and if your resolution is set to 4K, so like it's better quality, and it uses 4K and it transmits 4K to your camera or to your phone, from your camera to your phone. And then we could try lowering the resolution. So if we tap on our little preview right here, and then tap on this 4K icon, and change it to either 480p smooth or auto, the resolution will change, but the bandwidth or the amount of data sent will also be lowered. So, for example, you can see now that the data transmitted jumps from around 40 kilobytes per second to all the way down to 9. But if we change it to 4K, the amount of data transmitted is going to increase by a lot. So it's like minimum 50 up to 400 all the way. So just make sure to change that to either auto or 480p smooth, and that will most likely fix your freezing issue. And if that didn't work, the other thing you could try is to restart your router or connect to a network with your camera that's closer to the camera itself, and that should help you. So that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope it helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.